Open up your bag today. Zip, 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 it's time to play. Books and pencils go inside. Pack them neatly side by side. Wear your backpack 1, 2, 3. Safe and comfy as can be. Both straps on and light to carry. School time fun for every kid. Yay, hurry! Tighten straps so they fit right. Keep your shoulders feeling light. Snacks and folders in their place. Ready now with a smiling face. Backpack ready, hip hooray. Off to learn and off to play. Step by step and sing along. Backpacks make you strong and strong.